So we start off today's video with this amazing transformation. So she ended up going darker and also getting this beautiful jaw length bob haircut. Absolutely stunning. Hello everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we will be taking a look at a variety of hair transformations, hairstyle ideas that you can play around with this season. Here we have someone who decided to try out the layered haircut trend. As you guys can clearly see, this is a very popular hairstyle. We see the look once again in black with the curtain bangs to frame out the face. And then we see another long to short transformation with another bob style. Followed by yet another bob. So pretty. This is so chic and stylish. Beautifully done. So if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have a bob with bangs. Ooh, followed by a pixie haircut change. So I wonder if she's going to be coloring her hair as well with this one. Ooh, I love this stylist hair. She's like this really pretty ginger rosy color. So she decided to go with this beautiful bright blonde hair shade. Wow. Absolutely love this transformation. So inspiring. And the pixie has so much fullness to it, a lot of volume, a lot of movement, leaving a lot of options when it comes to styling the hair at home. This is absolutely gorgeous. So the stylist did a really pretty mini bob haircut. Beautiful length and texture within the cutting. Absolutely stunning. And this is definitely a low maintenance style. Perfect for the spring and summer season if you're looking for something a little bit more classic and simple. Great way to go. So for the next hairstyle, the stylist is cutting the bangs, doing like a razor choppy cutting. I think that this will probably be of a shaggy style just by the overall shape that this has. So we can see the look kind of coming together, definitely playing into that shaggy mullet style. Absolutely love this look. So glad that it has managed to make a comeback. I just think it's a really pretty hairstyle. And then we have someone with long hair. Looks like the stylist is shaping this into another shaggy mullet style. I love her copper colored hair. Gorgeous. Beautiful shape and texture within the cutting. So here we have someone going from shoulder length hair to a chic pixie. Wow, this is gorgeous. Absolutely breathtaking transformation. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out all of these hairstyles with me. If you did, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.